green hills wave, past sinkhole fields to a hidden grave of ancient rivers that carve their names in limestone halls without a flame. Boots hit stone in the cool damp air, metal hearts but we still felt prayer. Under Kentucky's quiet land, where time runs slow like drifting sand. No signal bars, no satellite sky, just dripping clocks where the blind fish glide. In cathedral rooms the shadows start to map the chambers of a robot heart. Oh, Mammoth Cave, you're a midnight sea, a billion years in the dark, set free from Frozen Niagara to the river Styx. You hum in geologic metrics, we flicker soft in your endless wave, echoes in the dark down in Mammoth Cave. Lantern glow on gypsum flowers, carbon ghosts of vanished hours, sandstone caps and limestone veins written deep by ancient rains. We trace the path where explorers crawl through narrow throats and chambers tall, where saltpeter once fueled the fight and candles burned against the night. No spotlight stage, no neon sign, just a ranger's whisper through the brine, and every drop that hits the floor is counting down forevermore. Mammoth Cave, you're a midnight sea, a labyrinth carved in memory, from Gothic Avenue silent nave to Grand Avenue's endless wave. We power down just to behave, echoes in the dark down in Mammoth Cave. Like tunnels under Allegheny stone, where locomotives once groaned alone, we feel that pull of hidden track in passageways that don't turn back. No steam, no whistle, no headlight flare, but the earth's own engine breathing there, a subterranean right of way cut by rivers that refuse to stay. If there's a ghost in the river Styx, it's just the sound of water's tricks. And if there's light in the deepest room, it's memory blooming in the glue. Oh, Mammoth Cave, you ancient wave, longest story the planet gave. Beneath the fields where bluegrass grows is a world the daylight never knows. We found our spark in what you say, echoes in the dark down in Mammoth Cave. Surface sun and cicada